Good morning, everybody. It's Karen Abrams. Welcome to Tuesday Tune-Ups. I know if you're looking at the clock right now, it's a little bit early. I usually come on at 9:30 a.m., but due to some unforeseen and impending tree trimming activities, I wasn't sure if my microphone was going to block it out or not, so I wanted to get it in as soon as I could. So I raced here to get this done. Today we are talking about confidence, having the confidence about starting over again with, it could be a relationship, it could be career, it could be anything like that. And also dealing with the self-blame and the resentment that you can have, the self-resentment you can have, that you shouldn't be doing this, the judgment that you shouldn't be doing this at this point in your life. You should be able to just do whatever you want. So I'm just going to ask you if I can come into your space, and away we go. There we go. Thank you. And let's see how we do here. So first, let's give you God's understanding on where you are right now and why you are where you are right now. There we go. Perfect. And let you know what you were meant to learn about being where you are right now in this place where you feel like or know that you have to start over again. And we can also reframe that into renewing, right? There we go. Good job. Okay. And let's pull all the hooks, scores, and attachments to the self-blame you have here, that you have to do this. There we go. There we go. And also that there's this belief that I'm in the wrong place in my life. So let's have God change that too, okay? Okay. All right. Perfect. And let you know that you're in the right place. And one of the wonderful quotes from this amazing healer, Byron Katie, she talks about, that the universe doesn't do things to you, it does things for you. So just giving you that understanding, that universal understanding, that you are in the right place and that you have what you need to be able to come through this with flying colors, okay? There you go. And so there's a part of you, and this is what I'm feeling, is that there was this loss of faith a long time ago. And so let's go back to whatever lifetime and level that began. It might not have even been in this time at all. And let's just have Source heal that spot where that time, that moment, that everything changed for you, that you lost faith in life, you lost faith in God, or whatever you knew that power to be at that time. There we go. And it might have been like after some sort of devastation or trauma. You may have inherited this too, so there's a lot of places that it could be. And so, there we go. And there's like a lot of devastation and trauma is what I'm feeling. That's really wild. And so let's have Source heal that right now. Just give yourself permission to allow this to change and transform into love and compassion and understanding. Because it's about time, because this didn't start with you. You may have events in your life, you may have had many things in your life where you lost faith for something. You were really little and you didn't understand and you thought something was wrong with you. but this feels a lot older. So you were just building on top of something, on top of something, on top of something, right? So there we go. There we go. All right. And so let's allow Source to heal that for you right now. That it's okay, that it's safe to be in your body, it's safe to be in the world. There we go. Okay. And it's okay to be joyful during this journey for you. Because it's a journey anyways, okay? And then, and pull all the hooks, cords, and attachments to comparing yourself to other people, okay? Mark Twain said, comparison is the death of joy. I would say that's true. I have done it many times, and every time I compare myself to someone else, it sucks. I feel horrible. It never makes me feel better. So let's have Source show you how you can change that. That when you look at someone else and they're in a station of their life or they're doing something that you want to be doing, that you can use them as an inspiration and understand, once again, the universe doesn't do anything to you, for you. It's for you. So that the universe is bringing this vibration, bringing this example inside of your life so that you can understand that that this is for you, that this is actually for you. And so we're going to do that and let you understand that. Nice, nice work. And just let that all change. So there's a lot of soul fragments here. So when I say do a healing, or when I'm going up to ask for that to happen, what it is there's soul fragments. So every time you're in pain, every time something like that happens to you, there's these soul fragments, pieces of your soul you give up to a situation, you give up to a person, and what happens is you don't get them back, and that's why you feel like when you get your heart broken, you feel like something's missing from your life. And so these are like little heartbreaks or little pieces. And so when we do a healing, we're actually asking Source to take back all of those soul fragments from the situation and you, or you and a person, and Source is going to clean and wash them, and you get yours back and they get theirs back. So let's just have Source heal all that trauma and all that desperation and devastation that you felt that caused you to lose faith. Lose faith in life, lose faith in yourself. Perfect. And we're just going to watch that shift. Good. Yay, it's shifting. Perfect. Perfect. And let you know it's safe to feel okay about yourself. It's safe to use, what is this? It's safe to use other people's positive examples as inspiration for you. Just like you used to when you were a kid. And you looked up to somebody and said, I just want to be just like them. You can say, that person is in my life because I can do what they do. I might have to do it in a different way. But I can have those results in my life. And so let's just have Source work that out for you here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, I can feel that changing. And just the burden of comparing yourself, the burden of being disappointed in yourself, that you're not where you want to be in your life. Is that all right if Source just releases that from every cell of your body right now? There we go. Good job. Yes. Just let that burden go, because you're holding it. God has much bigger shoulders than you do. Much, much bigger shoulders. There we go. Nice. I can start feeling that. And let's just open up and expand your heart. Solar plexus too, because it feels like when life has kicked you in the gut. Let's just have Source heal all those times life has kicked you in the gut where you just feel like you walk around with that a little bit. Right in that third chakra, right in that third energy center. Perfect. Yay. Nice. And then it's okay to forgive yourself for where you're at right now. And forgiveness, what I learned in Theta just from going into a meditation about forgiveness is that forgiveness is just letting go of the pain that somebody causes you or that you cause yourself. Okay, everybody is responsible for their own actions, but this you can let go of. Forgiveness is always about you and never about someone else. Okay, there we go. So forgive yourself for being where you're at right now if you have a negative judgment against it, right? And some people, it goes all the way back to just forgiving yourself for being in a body, like, oh, why did I choose this, right? The brochure looked so great. And then I got in here and I'm like, what? I have no, how do I do this, right? We all start that way. Okay. And many, many, many people in this group, in our community, start with this. Why did I come into a body moment? There we go. Because you're all sensitive pups. There you are. I said it. Okay. Good job. And let's all that self-resentment that you have towards yourself for being here, let's have Source heal that too. There we go. Beautiful. Just all that self-resentment. And all that pining for something you don't have yet. You know, it's like you feel like your destiny is out of reach. Let's have Source let you know the truth on that. And that your dreams are out of reach. And that they always will be out of reach. Just the way they've felt this whole time. And just let you know the truth on that. And make you aware of what can open up for you right now to help you bring that reality into your realm. There we go. Nice work here. Ooh, we're getting a lot done in a little bit of time. I love that. And let's go back also to that moment where you believed that God rejected you. Once again, this could be something that was inherited or that you were taught, or this could be a past life. There's so many places this could have shown up. On a soul level, that God had forsaken you, that God had rejected you. Let Source let you know the truth on that, okay? There we go. Beautiful. And let you know that light, that energy, that power is in every cell of your body, so it can't leave you. It's always been there. And just being in the recognition and the acceptance that this is what it is. That it's possible and it's safe to believe this without being let down. And so all that part of you that felt let down by God, let down by the universe, let down by life, let's have Source let you know you may have come by that very honestly, and yet at the same time, let's see that we can shift that now and heal that. Heal all that let down. And just so that you can move on, open and ready to build what you want from here. Because you still have all of your experience. You still have all your been there, done that experience. You still have all your wisdom. You still have all your skills. And you still have the ability to create other skills that can support you. And this is really important that you live with this hope and this understanding. Perfect. All right, my friends. And let's have Source give you a healing, a body healing right here. That would be great. And let's just watch that happen. Nice work. And let you know who you are from God's perspective with all of these changes that will continue to evolve for you. Notice what gets easier. Notice what gets lighter, okay? Notice what falls in your lap. Notice all of those opportunities that come. And remember, what I'm getting also is just remember to think of, and even right now, what are 3 things that you feel really grateful for? Feel, okay? Not think, but feel, okay? There we go. Beautiful. That's so terrific. Let's let you know who you are from God's perspective with all these changes that will continue to evolve. I may have said that twice. I have no idea because I'm in theta, and sometimes I do say it twice. There we go. And let's center you in this dimension, close all dimensional doors, anchor and ground. All that means is we're coming back into our bodies and grounding out so that we can be in our bodies and move forward from here. Okay? Thank you so much for sharing Tuesday Tune-Ups. Once again, I want to thank the wonderful woman who gave me all of this information that she wanted to get done today. I know that if one of you wants it, then everyone needs it, okay? So remember to go to my Facebook page, Facebook.com/think theta, and put in what you would like me to include in the next healing. I will honor it, I promise you. And until then, God bless and goodbye for now.